आप वैंकूवर में रहते हैं या वैंकूवर आते हैं तो व्हिस्लर आना आपका लाजमी है। यहाँ पर बहुत रौनक है आज का दिन, खासकर लॉट्स ऑफ स्कीयर्स एंड स्नो बोर्डर्स। और यहाँ पर आप जानते ही होंगे कि विंटर ओलंपिक्स हुए थे, तो वीव गॉट द ओलंपिक रिंग्स बिहाइंड अस। तो चलिए अब देखते हैं हमारा स्पिरिचुअलिटी का सेगमेंट।
आज की स्पिरिचुअलिटी सेगमेंट में हम आपके लिए एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सी बातचीत लेकर आए हैं। आज हम बातचीत करने जा रहे हैं फिजी के बारे में और फिजी के लोगों के बारे में, और उसके बारे में कुछ और जानकारी देने के लिए हमारे साथ रीना सिंह हैं। रीना, वेलकम टू आवर शो।
Thank you so much.
So, Reena, I have to tell you this. I grew up in India. और वहाँ पर स्कूल में हमारे जनरल नॉलेज की क्लास होती थी हर हफ्ते, और उसमें वी हैड टू लर्न अबाउट कंट्रीज, उनके कैपिटल्स एंड कौन प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, कौन लीडर है। सो आई थॉट इट वाज प्रीटी गुड एट दैट। फिर जब मैं यहाँ आई तो देन somebody mentioned Fiji and I said Fiji, what is Fiji? And so उन्होंने बताया कि ये कंट्री है, वहाँ पर अपने लोग बहुत रहते हैं। I thought, oh my goodness, I had no idea. And of course अब इतने सालों के बाद I find out Fiji is a beautiful country, a beautiful island in the Pacific Ocean। और आप फिजी से हैं?
जी हाँ।
तो थोड़ा सा हमें फिजी के बारे में बताइए कि फिजी, आई नो इट्स एन आइलैंड, आई नो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, पर थोड़ा सा और हमें बताइए फिजी के बारे में।
तो फिजी करीबन 300 islands है।
Oh my goodness.
And out of that very few are people live on it.
Oh, okay.
तो काफ़ी जो island है वो छोटे छोटे हैं और उस पे कोई nobody lives there. But the two bigger islands are where people live, and most of the trades and all that stuff happens. तो करीबन 1870s में is when Fiji was under British colony.
Right.
और ब्रिटिश जाके इंडिया से इंडेंचर्ड लेबर सिस्टम करके तो फिर इधर लेकर आए फिजी में, एंड देन दैट्स हाउ द इंडियंस केम टू फिजी।
राइट। तो वहाँ पर ऑफ कोर्स कि नेटिव फिजियंस भी रहते हैं और इंडियंस की काफ़ी व्हाट परसेंटेज वुड यू से कि इंडियन मूल के जो लोग हैं वो?
सो एट द मोमेंट फिजी जो फिजियंस है बाय फार भी मेजॉरिटी है। I think the last recorded census was about 56%.
Okay.
And जो Indians है, जो ethnic Indian Fijians है, वो थे I think 37% the last I read. So still quite high up there. But in between the late 80s and early 2000s there has been a little bit of unrest between the government.
Yes.
क्योंकि जो Indian Fijians थे वो power में आ गए थे, and so the military got in and basically threw out the government, took them hostage.
Right.
And so there's been a lot of unrest over, I would say, 10-12 years.
Right.
It has probably now become a little bit better. And you heard that last summer the Prime Minister from Fiji, Bainimarama, came. So it's I think the country finally is going in the right direction.
Good.
Yeah, but there are also other population like from the islands, Rotumans, we've got some Chinese, so they probably would make about 18-19% of the population. Most of the people, which is the ethnic Fijians, they are Christians basically.
Okay.
Protestants, so they are they go to Methodist, Catholic.
तो उनका conversion कब हुआ होगा? I'm wondering.
I probably would think when the British came and
brought Christianity with them.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
और जो इंडियन मूल के लोग हैं वहाँ पर, जो फिजियंस हैं, वो कौन सा रिलीजन प्रैक्टिस करते हैं?
So the most of them they are Hindus. Some of them follow the southern way of life,
okay.
Hinduism,
Achha.
and some of them follow the northern way.
Interesting.
So and we've got Punjabis there too. So
Okay.
there's a couple of Sikh gurdwaras,
Right.
and then lots of temples.
Right.
Apparently, from what I know, I have studied a lot of Hinduism and religion, and in the southern hemisphere, Fiji has the largest South Indian temple.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
really? Oh wow, wow. And of course, Islam bhi wahan par
जी
hai.
हाँ,
I have
जी
a lot
हाँ.
of Muslim friends
जी
who
हाँ,
are from Fiji
जी
as
हाँ.
well.
I think at the last census, the Muslim community was about almost 7% of the population. I don't know, I have not read anything very recently of what the population is like for them,
Right.
but the last one I read was around 6-7%.
Right. और ये सब तो आप अपना religion और basically जो Fijian Indians हैं वो अपना religion India से ही like you know that's what the religion
जी
was
हाँ.
and they continued practicing.
जी हाँ, जी हाँ.
Right, right. आपकी कौन सी generation बनेगी
जी
रीना?
हमारी I am the 4th generation Indian.
Oh my goodness.
जी हाँ.
Wow.
So my great grandfather
Right.
came, and then my grandfather, my great grandfather, my grandfather and father were born and raised in Fiji, and then me.
Wow, wow. So, Reena, you are quite involved in the community. आप community के लिए भी काम करती हैं, कोशिश करती हैं,
जी.
you know, as all of us try to do a little
Yes.
bit on the side. तो आपकी एक event आने वाली है बहुत ही जल्द, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए.
So the organization that I'm involved with, uska naam hai Canadian Federation of Fiji Organizations, and what it is basically it's a very unique organization, and it sort of like acts as an umbrella body to all the Fijian organizations, businesses, trades professionals. They basically get membership into it, and then we basically go out and help them in any, like over the last little while, in fact this coming weekend we are doing आप जानते होंगे शिव मंदिर
जी.
उनके AGM है.
Okay.
So what we do is we help them with their election process.
Okay.
So we go out, we do the ballots, we register people, and basically we count up the ballots and announce who takes office. Yes.
Right, right.
So we've done a lot of that for a lot of Fiji organizations.
Right.
Now, over the last little while, we've really focused on the youth. And what's come about is this event that is coming up on May 28th,
Right.
which is called the Youth Talent Show and Youth Awards Night is basically what we're trying to kind of like right now geared for and just gung-ho doing it.
Nice, nice. तो इसकी nominations भी हैं, nominations या applications, I guess there's a deadline.
Yeah.
तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा
So,
बताइए.
जी, application say there's 4 categories.
Okay.
The first category is a performer application, which is अगर आपके पास कोई talent है, जैसे आप गा सकते हो, नाच सकते हो, कोई भी रकम के परफॉर्मेंस कर सकते हो. परफॉर्मेंस माने कि खाली नाच गाने और ये एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना नहीं, पर अगर if you are able to give a motivational speech, empower with your speech, तो वो सब हम मानते हैं कि टैलेंट है. So there's one category. The second category we have is for artist. Artist माने कि जो sketch कर सकते हैं, pictures बना सकते
Visual
हैं,
arts हो गया.
visual arts. So अगर वो आप कर सकते हो, तो then there's an application for that. The third category is 30 and under youth, जो volunteer काम करते हैं अपने अपने communities में,
Right, right.
कोई भी volunteer काम, and if it's as long as it's documented volunteer work that we can verify,
Right.
and it's 100+ hours in the calendar year 2015, we actually acknowledge them on stage with certificate and a trophy. क्योंकि क्या होता है वो empower करता है वो youth के कि they will go out there and they will do more. So that's the third category. The fourth category is the post-secondary education scholarship award that we, post-secondary education scholarship award that we give out.
Wow, okay.
So all the applications are on our website,
Okay.
www.cfofo.org.
Okay.
And हमारे Facebook page भी है, it's called C44 Canadian Federation of Fiji Organizations. तो जी सब डेडलाइंस भी उस पर है, हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन भी उस पे है, तो जो भी कोई इंटरेस्टेड होगा they should definitely check it out. And like I have said that it is open to all community youth.
Okay,
not
so
just
that's
Fiji.
important to know, क्योंकि मैं
Yes.
सोच रही थी कि क्या सिर्फ फिजी के लोग या जो अपने को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं एज फिजियंस, क्या वही लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं?
No, we have opened it out to all the youth because क्योंकि हमारे जो फोकस है यूथ एम्पावरमेंट है. It is not about one community or the other community. It is about empowering all the youth.
Right.
And we live in a multicultural country.
Yes.
So why not have a multicultural event?
Absolutely, that's fantastic. So, and is there a fee for this?
So anybody that wants to take part, anybody that is an artist, performer, who is done volunteer work and wants to apply for that, and who has a post-secondary scholarship, there is no registration fee whatsoever.
Okay.
So any of the participants coming in that evening, they will not have to pay any money. What we do as executives, the main body, will go out to businesses, to community organizations, and we'll try and collect donations, fundraise, sponsors,
Sponsorship. Okay.
and that is how this event takes place. We do not
Fabulous.
absolutely make any money on this day.
Yeah,
It is all
fabulous.
about the youth, and it is all about giving back.
Right. That's fantastic, Reena. So, date क्या है? Deadline क्या
So
है?
the deadline is April 28th, 11:59 p.m. for all applications.
Okay. And are there, like, if there's some stragglers, procrastinators, वो कहें कि अब आज अप्रैल 30 हो गई है, क्या हम कर सकते हैं? How strict are you on that?
We are very strict on the deadline. This
Good
is
to
our
know.
13th year,
Okay.
and we strive to do everything by deadline and everything by time. Even on that evening you come, we start the show at 5 o'clock because we have younger youth performing. They get tired, and so the show starts at 5:30 the latest, and we end by 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Awesome.
And then at the
Wow.
end of the evening, then the family is there. We have the hall, and they're able to like sit around, you know, mingle, dance. We still will have like refreshments and dessert, and dinner will be served as well. So.
And Reena, where is this happening?
So this is happening at Khanna Banquet Hall, which is in Surrey by the Patello Bridge.
Yes.
And again, all that information is on the website as well as on the Facebook page.
Okay.
And I'll just again give our phone number and our website information and email address. So the phone number is 604-817-9040. The website is www.cfofo.org, and email address is info.org@gmail.com.
Okay. All right. Perfect. So we will see you soon, and I'm just hoping कि बहुत लोग अपने आप को nominate करें, अपनी ये applications भेजें, because you know it really is about getting out there, putting your name out there, and also encouraging other people. लोग आपकी कहानी सुनेंगे, उन्हें भी encouragement मिलेगी कि वो भी इस चीज़ में हिस्सा लें. So thank you so much, Reena, for joining us.
And thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely.